In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change filters in DaVinci Resolve 18. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly use and manage your effects and filters in DaVinci Resolve 18. You will be able to add them into your timeline and individually change the settings for each of them. So it offers a wide array of tools for changing and applying filters. So the primary source for effects and filters is going to be the library. Usually at the top left corner of the screen, you will see effects right next to the media pool. So look at the top left and you will find effects. If you don't see it here, make sure that you enable the options on the navigation bar. When you go over to effects, you will find most of the effects available for free. So you have various different libraries, for example, Open FX, Audio Effects, and so on. You can choose any of these. I'm not going to cover every single one in this video. Depending on which result you want to achieve, you will have to pick them. So you have some stuff like chromatic adaptation, radial blur, lens blur, zoom blur, invert color, and so on. There is a lot to explore, and it's impossible for me to cover everything in this video. You can get any of these effects and drag them into your timeline. You can add as many as you want, and all of them will be displayed when you preview your video. So drag them accordingly, and once you have them added into your timeline, you can manage them by going over to the inspector and then choosing the effects tab. Now you will see if they are enabled, and you can change the individual settings. So for example, film damage, you will have all of these options to manage, add dirt, add vignetting, and so on. And of course, this is going to differ for every single effect individually. You can change all of them and save the changes to your timeline and final video. I hope I was able to help you on how to change filter in DaVinci Resolve 18. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.